Hey, thanks for clicking on this video. My name's Ben. So clearly you want to know how to tie on a drop shot using the Uni Knot, so let's get to it. Okay, so we have our drop shot weight, we have our oversized hook, and then we have our fishing line. So normally with the Uni Knot you want to use a kind of big tag end, but we're going to use a huge one. So to start off, go through the face of the eyelet of the hook, through the face. So you have the opening of the hook here, you want to come in down through that way to start your knot. And then go through, give yourself a huge tag end, because this is going to be what your drop shot's attached to. And then go ahead and tie your Uni Knot. So pinch your line, make your loop, wrap around the two lines through the loop. 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to cinch that down, moisten it up, cinch your knot. Now you might be thinking, oh, okay, well that's not really great because now the hook isn't really hanging the way you want. You want the hook to be hanging like this. So what you do, take your tag end and run it through the face of the eyelet again. So you have your hook, take your tag end and go back through here. Blammo. And now your hook is going to hang the way you want it. Tie on your drop shot weight, just using an overhand knot. You never want this knot to be too strong, because ideally, if you get stuck, you're only going to lose your weight. You won't lose the whole fishing rig. So I usually do just a double overhand knot, and that's usually enough to keep it on there, even in some tough snags, and I can usually shake it free without losing it. But there you go, the drop shot using the Uni Knot. Pretty simple. Just give yourself an extra tag end and run it back through the eyelet of the hook. Well, I hope you found that helpful. Hopefully that rig helps you catch some fish and gets you fishing more quickly. If you like that video, hit that like button, subscribe to see more, and we'll catch you later.